Hello, folks! It is time to celebrate beach day number 150 on my Sweden beach adventures in 2025. Unfortunately, on this 30th of October, it is raining. And it was raining on the way here. And actually, I'm now showing you a completely new beach spot. Well, it's not actually a beach, it's just a coast on the lake located in Fagersjö, Lake Magelungen. I was actually on my way to the jetty, to the bathing jetty, but there were two fishermen over there, and I thought I want to enjoy in peace and quiet my 150th beach adventure. And maybe this is not the best place, but I anyways didn't intend to be long in the water. And I'm not really sure what this is over here where I'm standing close to, but around it there is even a football field that was empty because it's raining, despite being autumn break for the students here in Stockholm. And this is just around 300 meters from the bathing jetty. And I see on the other side also very nice rocks that people might also go in for a swim. And there is even a neighborhood on that end. I think there is even a bathing jetty on that end as well, but I might need to explore some other day. But yeah, I wanted to kick 150 days now, as I will be away from Stockholm for a few days. So yeah, it is only 10 degrees Celsius in the air, so slightly warmer than yesterday, and I'm really curious how cold it is in the water. Here we have maybe not the best way to get into the water, but at least it is rocks and cliffs, which is obviously easier to get. And to be fair, here the water looks slightly better than at the bathing jetty, but we're gonna see soon what does the temperature says as I'm showing you here the nature. I'm actually going for ice skating here on this lake, and maybe in a month or two it will get frozen, so you will see one of those episodes as well. What else? Yeah, the day is getting very shorter now. It's the sunset is at 4 p.m. and currently right now it is 1:20 and it already looks like the sun has set. But it is because of the rainy weather for sure. Okay, so let's then see what does the temperature says before we go in. Oh, 9 degrees, sliding towards 8. I think it's 8 actually. It's closer to 8, so we're gonna round up at 8 degrees Celsius today, which is probably one of the coldest I have been on a dip or swim this autumn. Not this year, because I started off the year with 0 degrees in the water for sure. Okay. Another beach adventure from Fagersjö. It's only 3 kilometers for me to get here, so not so far away. So yeah, there are some very interesting objects in the water here, but I'm just gonna neglect that part for now and try not to swallow any water also as well. Okay, here it is a bit slippery actually to get in, so I'm not sure what I was thinking and how will I get up then later, so bear with me please. Okay. Oh, all right, Kris is ready for beach day number 150 in this not the best setting, but it's an adventure for sure. So are we ready? Ready, set, and just a second for my watch to get in, and go. it tastes like lake for sure. And it's cold as well. So yeah, I'm so happy to have made it to 150 days, which I then have same days as 2 years ago, 2024. Last year's record is 215, and it's hard to catch that. So greetings from Fagersjö, Lake Magelungen. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.